Wanna be free of this heart.
Sliced bread. We buy the slice and then what is not good. How much is it? What? Yeah, that's our bread. How much is it?
300.
So let me buy this. One of these I won't big one. How much is your biggest one?
1.
Okay, but it's not sliced.
Yes.
You give me one of this and one of that. You have Viva. Like the
smallest
oh
one
no.
for now.
Maybe I should just pick this one.
Okay.
Yeah. No, the biggest one. What's the difference between this and this black one?
This one.
Yes. Is this one for
Extra
washing machine?
whitening. Extra whitening. What you use?
Just
And the same is the same price.
so, no problem. Just go now. Okay.
What else?
We are closed for the day. We are closed for the day.
We are closed for the day.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you till
For the
Sunday.
Yeah, we don't open on Saturday till Sunday. See you guys. Bye. remember that I've not put on this shoe for a very long time. So I'll just wear this and carry my white bag. In this bag, when this bag see me next time, man, go wrong. Guys, I'm done. My business card. Guys, I have a business card and I don't even know. Yeah, and it says like my name is on it. I don't know if you can read this. But yeah, that's our complaint line. Reach out to us. And this is the card. So I have like just few in case I want like network in church. That's not true though. I have my lip balm inside. I have biscuits. I don't know why I have these biscuits in this bag. I'm putting my sunscreen that will never reapply. And I like going out with this perf. Just like, it's so cute and it smells so good. So this is also inside. So yeah, I think this is all I will have in this bag. I don't go out with money. No cash. I rarely have cash, guys, in case you don't know. So guys, I just came back from church and I have to get ready for this Miss Ibadan award. And guys, I'll do the most lightest makeup ever. I'm not doing much. Like, I want to do like a no makeup because I don't know, I just don't want to do too much. Yeah, so I'll just spray my face now. And yeah, so guys, I did this makeup and I was still like shooting a video. So I'm currently late for this, or I'm there, but this is my makeup. I think I love how I'm looking, right? It's not too much, it's just simple. A little bit of, yeah. So I have to go and dress up now, and guys, I'll see you later. Yeah, bye. So guys, I'm done with my makeup and this is how I'm looking. This is my outfit, guys. Yeah, let me give you the full outfit. I don't know if you can see, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this ashoke with this this shoe. I don't know if you can see it here. This shoe with this ashoke, guys. I love this color. So that's how I'm going out today. Bye.
This family Angela Olua. This family. Please welcome to the stage Ajani Akewi. Olùyọ̀lé wọn máa rí àwọn bàbá tó bí yín lọ́mọ Ìbàdàn o. Dọ́gbọ́n yọ.
Guys, I just came back. I'm so tired and right now I don't know. Guys, I'm just so tired right now. So my makeup is still nice. I think maybe I should do a video because tomorrow is my posting day, so I can have videos to upload tomorrow. Yeah, it was a nice event. It's actually Miss Ibadan award event, so, and I was actually nominated, but I did not bring the award though. I actually opened this, but I want to show you. This is going to be my first food of today. I'm so hungry, and this is currently almost 6:30 p.m. guys. Yeah. What are you looking for?
yourself.